Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable choose an operating system at startup on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable the option choose your operating system while starting your PC or laptop, then I'll how to disable this option. You just need to click on start menu, then type here your advanced system setting. You can see here view advanced system setting. Just click on this, click on advanced option. After that you can see here startup and recovery, system startup, system failure and debugging information. Just click on these settings. Here you need to select the OS. If you have multiple OS in your PC, all the OS will be displayed here. Just you can select the OS which default OS to be loaded at the startup. Select that OS and you have to uncheck this option. After that click on OK, click on OK. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable choose an operating system at startup on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.